Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zendesk API, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Zendesk account if you haven't already. Visit the Zendesk website and click on the sign up button. Once your account is created, log in to your Zendesk dashboard. Navigate to the admin section located on the left sidebar. Select API from the menu options. In the API settings, enable the Zendesk API option. Make sure to toggle on Enable API to activate it. After enabling, take note of your API token. If you don't have an API token yet, click on Add API Token and follow the prompts. Copy the generated API token and keep it safe. Next, you will need an API client tool for testing. Postman is a popular choice for this purpose. Download and install Postman from their official website. Open Postman and create a new request. In the request section, set the HTTP method to GET. In the URL field, enter your Zendesk subdomain followed by /API/v2/users.json. For authentication, select the basic auth option. Enter your Zendesk email address followed by /token as the username. Paste your API token in the password field. Now click on the Send button to test your connection. You should receive a response with user data from your Zendesk account. If you see the data, congratulations, you have successfully connected to the Zendesk API. Explore other API endpoints in the Zendesk documentation for additional functionality. Make sure to keep your API token secure and do not share it publicly. Now you are ready to start using the Zendesk API in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.